Earlier we were talking and he mentioned something else that I actually hadn't been aware of before, which is great if you're a student. Hi, I'm Samantha with Samantha Sales Seattle, and thanks so much for tuning in again today. I'm a licensed real estate agent currently working in the larger Seattle area with boutique brokerage. And today I'm really excited. I have a guest, as you can see. This is Mario Rodriguez. He is a lending expert from AmeriHomes. Loans for your homes. I don't know if that's a slogan. I just made it up for fun, you know.
I might have to use that.
Yeah.
Loans for your homes.
Right.
I like
That's
that.
right. Because you have multiple homes. Good for you. Even just one home. Any home that you love is a great home. So,
right.
Yeah. Anyway, we're having a lot of fun here. We just did an open house here in Madrona. The property is listed. I'm not sure how long it's going to be listed for because we had quite a bit of traffic today. And I can put a link below if you're looking for a home in the Madrona area. Check it out.
Priced pretty well too, right?
Yes, it is. It's very reasonable, especially for this area. One of the main questions that we get is like, when you're home buying, what's the first thing that you need to do? Well, first you know that you want a home, right? The first thing starts with you, right? But what it comes down to for business, it's very important to get
pre-approved.
Yeah, getting pre-approved is super important.
Yeah.
And I'm going to have Mario talk a little bit more about that since that is his area of expertise.
Yeah. It's so important because we want to help you get pre-approved so you're shopping within your price range. It's very important that you know a good idea of what you qualify for before you start touring homes with your real estate agent. So that's why we always suggest, if you're thinking about buying a home, first thing you want to do is talk to a lender like myself.
So another great question is, when should I get pre-approved? I'm just starting my home search, and do I really get pre-approved now, or should I wait until I see a home that I want? What do you think is a good time frame for people to start looking into pre-approval?
I would say 3 to 4 months before you actually start shopping for a home. That way you know exactly how much you can qualify for, how much your payments are going to be. There's just no surprises. And what happens most of the time, honestly, once a client gets pre-approved, next thing you know, they're ready to shop. Like next week.
That's awesome. Yeah, because I was actually going to ask you that. When you said 3 or 4 months, does it take that long to get pre-approved? Do they have to do it 3 or 4 months out?
Oh, no. Yeah. So getting pre-approved can take a couple hours, actually, if you give me all the documents. But as far as like, say, you're going to be buying in the spring, I would say start that pre-approval process maybe in January or even December. That way, like there's no surprises. You're ready to buy, you know exactly what you're looking for. And
great. Yeah. And what kind of documents are we talking about here?
So for most buyers, say you have like a W-2 job, W-2 income. We're just going to need your last 2 W-2s.
So 2 years, right? 2 years of work history.
Yep. Pay stubs going back 30 days. Most of the time, that's just 2 pay stubs.
Is that pay stubs if they don't have W-2s? Like if they're not in addition? Okay, so your W-2s and your pay stubs.
Yeah. Yep, and then also bank statements. We need to know where that down payment's coming from.
Then what if somebody has a job where they don't get a W-2? What if it's a 1099 or self-employed sort of situation?
Yeah. And in most cases, we're looking at 2 years of tax returns for that. Yeah.
2 years of tax returns. And then do they have to work in the same industry, or what if they change jobs? What if they were like working for Uber and then they were working at a restaurant and then they were working at like a bookshop or something like that? What if there's somebody that has had a lot of jobs in 2 years? Does that matter? Or is it just consistent pay?
Yeah, so it depends how that pay is. So if you had a few jobs and one was like a sales job and one was a waiter, we're going to want to see 2 years of that commission job or that whatever the tipped income that you're receiving. If we're going to use tipped income or commission, we need 2 years of seeing that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just kind of reiterate this again. So if you are somebody who is a tipped employee, or if your job has a variable rate of payment, then they're going to want to see 2 years of get an idea of what that 2 years of consistency is.
Exactly. Yep.
Another thing too, if you're a student, that can be really helpful. Let's say that you're just graduating from university and you're going to go into a tech job or into another job where you will, you'll have your contracted rate, which will give you an income where you can afford to have a mortgage, right?
Right.
Which of course is going to vary from state to state, but we're just talking here in the Seattle area for now.
Yep. Yeah. So in that case, a lot of new students or new grads are like, I don't have enough history. Actually, you do. We can use your school history. We can count your school towards your history of employment. So if you have a job offer for, say, Amazon, Facebook, or whatever tech company out here, we can actually use your history at school as work history.
So there's all sorts of different ways that he can work with you, and lenders can work with you to help you with your pre-approval process. Of course, those are the documents that you're going to need, and then we can do another video that's going to get into like different loan types and things
Right.
like that, right?
Yeah. Yep, there's all different types of loans. We have your FHA, your conventional. We have VA loans where you don't even need a down payment. My bank has some portfolio loans where we can get creative if you're self-employed. Like instead of looking at tax returns, we can look at your bank statements for 24 months. So there's a whole bunch of different ways to what do they say, skin a cat? Is that what they say out there?
Please don't. Cats should be cherished. Dog people do not skin cats. I love them both.
We don't.
Okay, so yeah, they do say that. And
Okay.
I'm just like, why would they say that? But yeah, they do say that.
Oh, that's kind of like, why would you say?
Right? Why
so
would
many different ways? Wait, how many ways can you
there's
skin a
so
cat?
many ways that you can show a cat that you love it. That's
There you go.
the statement I like. So thank you so much for joining us today. And if you do have any other questions about the home buying or selling process, or of course the lending process, please feel free to put that in the comments below. It'll be really fun to make more videos for you. Contact me, of course, comments below, or at Samantha@SamanthaSellSeattle.com.
So you can contact me on Instagram, Mario_Rodriguez, or email me, Mario@AmeriHome.com.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for doing this video with me today.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching. It was fun. Thank you for watching. And if you didn't already, please like, subscribe, comment below. And if you're looking to buy or sell a home, please let me know. Have a great day.